Welcome to day 41. Today I was bullish up until here, this target right here that I had drawn on. We haven't seen this whole price action down here to this wick. We were hovering around this daily order block. Same thing for the 12-hour, we were inside of this. And this to me is still bullish because we haven't swept neither of these two highs. And if you go to the 4-hour, you can see that this candle was not developed yet, nor was this candle right here. So I was expecting at most a retrace to here and then go up. Or I changed my mind when I saw the 15-minute close below here and respecting this 15-minute order block, which indicated to me that we were short-term bearish. We also had this inverted fair value gap, which also indicated me that we might move bearish before the close here. So as soon as I saw this close, I saw that these lows were in play. However, because I was still bullish, I was thinking that maybe we just go here and then we reverse. Either way, I'm gonna wait unless it's very obvious to take a short. And you can see that even on the 5-minute, this was just one candle, basically the same thing here. I'm gonna go into this trade in a little bit. This was actually just me fucking around. Anyways, soon as I see this order block right here and this candle, these two candles closing down, I said anything from here to down here is bearish. So I'm gonna wait for price to go to here and then, only then, wait for internal structure break or whatever. So any lows that form from here to there to get broken, and then I'll enter there. And so we get this. We don't close, although it looks like it, but we don't actually close above this candle, or do we? We don't. We don't close above that. And then we start selling off. There's this fair value gap that inverts and gets respected, I guess. And there's this order block right here. So I was not looking to short here. However, I was looking to short here. And I actually placed this trade because the 5-minute was looking so good and put my stop loss there and my TP there. So this would have been a winner. However, in these past few days, and especially yesterday, I took a trade that went to stop loss because I didn't wait for the actual close. And you can see here that although it was very close, the candle did not close below this low. And the plan was to have a candle close below here. So this could have easily just go to here, sweep this, and then go up. Although the 5-minute didn't look like it, it could have done that. So with that said, I closed the trade earlier for basically break even or minus $4. And then I said, okay, we closed here. Below, there's these two candles. I want to see similar stuff to here. I want to see a touch of this. So this is an order block right here. You can see it gets stopped twice. And after that, I want to see like some sort of candle of some sort of order block forming. So we get the touch, we get these two candles, and then we get this sell off right here, off of also the previous lows. So what do? I take this trade right here with a very tight stop loss because this would have been a 1 to 9 something. And the TP slightly below, but I would have cut it earlier. So I took this. And again, this is a common theme by now, I get stopped on the wick and then price just goes lower. So now that my bearish targets were reached, I was just looking, okay, we might now start going up because I was still bullish on the day and I was just playing the internal structure right here. We might finally start to move up. And then we get these nice candles up here, which we close above here, and this also on the 5-minute looks very clean. So we close up, we touch this, we break structure here, and then we start going up. So I then put an order here after I see this candle close. with the stop here because there's this fair value gap and then there's this order block, and my TP initially was this. I don't get filled here, and okay, that's fine. Let's go into the other possible trade. So I see this candle right here forming up. I see this fair value gap, and I wanted to long this up until daily opens. So I get to long this. I didn't place the trade because I thought I was forcing the setup, and I just didn't put it because it's a fair value gap, and I usually put my orders at the order block. So I said that's fine. If this fair value gap makes this an order block, so if a candle closes above this, I'm gonna take possibly this trade right here. So my mind was speculating on this. We get this upwards candle, no touch. Even if I tried to take the wick, you can see that there is no touch, and it would have not gave me a very good risk to reward unless I've put the stop there. And we were also near these highs, so still not confident taking that trade to be that aggressive. So next thing I say, we close above this. The 5-minute inverted the fair value gap. I think it was the 5-minute. Yeah, so you can see that. Was it the 5-minute or the 15-minute? Yeah, you can see that the 15-minute was about to invert the fair value gap. And I decided, okay, I'm going to take this one with the stop there and the TP at this line right here, which is a 1-hour order block. Didn't get filled, and at this point, I'm pretty annoying, right? I'm pretty annoyed and pissed off. Then what do? I see this, so I put my trade here. And with the stop there, and my TP was here. Stop might actually been a bit higher. Yeah, stop there, and my TP above there. Entry was actually down here. Stop a little bit lower. Yeah, that's it. 2 exact risk reward. And because I knew I was getting a little bit emotional, I decided to just enter with 2 contracts. So 2 contracts are $67. And at this point, I get filled. We get this up move right here, and I said, if this candle doesn't close above this high, I'm exiting the trade. I don't care. You can see that I exited the trade here, and I said, yeah, it's probably the best decision because I was just acting on emotions here because I was stopped out down here for 2 handles. I got bamboozled here, and I got front run twice after I was trying to get into the longs and execute on my plan. So I was getting pretty annoyed. So I just decided to, if this doesn't go up immediately, I'm going to close it. I don't really care, and I'm going to be done for the day. It wouldn't even be that much, although it would have taken me back to break even, but that's fine. I could have also lost $60. So yeah, capital preservation, number 1. I did took half R here because I felt it was a little bit like I was forcing the trade. So, and because it was a 1.9, I said, okay, let's risk less, although I'm pretty confident because it's literally the same basis of this, where we go up, we create an order block off of that, and then we take the short there. So that's it for day number 41. Not the best run so far. Let's hope tomorrow is a better day. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.